Okay, so I just bought a new Apple Watch Ultra 2 with an ocean band in blue. So I will do an unboxing in this video and hopefully also set it up on my iPhone. So here is the box. As you can see here, it is a Apple Watch Ultra 2 49mm titanium blue ocean band. So, as usual, Apple has an excellent packaging. That is one of the greatest things with Apple. It always is a pleasure to unbox them. As you can see here, very nice packaging. As you can see, it's incredible, this packaging. Incredible. And here we have a book about the Apple Watch. The different versions, different colors, and how to set it up and how to mount the bands and everything actually. And here we have a nice little pocket for some information. No Apple sticker though, that's bad. But anyway, a really nice little folder book. So here we have the Apple Watch itself, Apple Watch Ultra 2. And here we have the ocean band in blue. As you can see, ocean band, Cinturino ocean, bracelet, ocean armband. Okay, we will unbox that later. So that was the first unboxing. Now let's unbox the Apple Watch itself. We have some stickers here to remove, like so, and also one here, like so. Now it should be the magical opening by just lifting the top of the box, like so. Feels really nice to do that actually. So here we have the Apple Watch itself. And this is the thing that I always fail doing when unboxing, but maybe I will do that right now. Right this time. Apparently not. I have never been good at unboxing this little strap of paper, plastic or whatever. So now I have the watch itself in my hand and it feels gorgeous, very heavy, very high quality. So nice. Really nice. Awesome. And what's more in the box? We have maybe the stickers in this, but we didn't. We have the charging cable. And this charging cable is a new version that is braided. So you have another quality of it. As you can see here, it feels more braided, sturdier, more heavy duty, if you know what I mean. So I think this will be a very high quality charging this Apple Watch with. So that was what's in the box of the Apple Watch itself. Now unbox the Ocean band. Then we have a sticker to remove here. And no other sticker. We have something to open like this. Here we see a guide how to mount the Ocean band on the Apple Watch. It will also be interesting to see if I can use the older Apple Watch bands with this new. I know that it's a lot bigger, but maybe some of my bands can look nice anyway. So here we have some information. We have the band itself. Maybe I do this wrong too, I don't know, but here we have one part of it. Feels very, very nice, high quality. It doesn't have any titanium here. It's the only band that doesn't have that, because the other two has titanium here, but the Ocean band only have this plastic all the way onto the top of it. And here we have the other end, and here we have the lock mechanism to have it strapped on your wrist in the perfect length. So now I will mount the Ocean band to the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and this should always be to the bottom of the watch when you mount Apple Watch bands on all models, like so. And the other end, the same there. You should always have this at the bottom of the watch, like so. And now we can put this on to see where the lock mechanism should be. Maybe that is too tight for me, I think. So maybe in the fourth hole is better for me. And this should be like so, and then you should just mount it. I'm not sure which way actually. I think this instruction is not the best, but should it be at the top? I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, like so. Then we do the mounting like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, like so. And now we will see if that was good. Like so. Maybe I should have this in 5, but that will be for another video or something. But this looks awesome to me actually. I really love the design of this. So I think this looks really nice. And now we should pair this watch with the iPhone. I'm not sure which way to do it first, if you need to unpair the old watch before pairing the new, but that will also be an experience to see. Let's start it first by holding this button, I think, like so. Now it starts, as you can see. Now, meanwhile, we start the Apple Watch app. No, I don't want an update at the moment. So we will go back to watches like this. Let's see what happens when doing this. Okay. I have the iPhone near the Apple Watch, yes. So I continue with adding region, Sweden, like so. And now start the pairing, like so. So now I have paired it. Now we need to choose if we want to do this a new watch. So now I think it will start pairing this watch with my iPhone. Don't share with Apple, analyzing. Create a passcode. I create a longer because it's safer. Now it goes through a lot of different stuff on my iPhone. As you can see, a lot of different stuff. So now I will continue to add this to my mobile account. I will get an eSIM to my Apple Watch Ultra 2. Now I have an eSIM to my Apple Watch. That was very easy to do. I was a bit worried about how to activate the cellular data plan, but that was very easy here in Sweden. So I think I will So now I've added my credit cards in Apple Pay. Now it wants me to set up what I want to have the action button for. Now I have some apps about diving. So I think it's done now. Now it starts to sync everything. Meanwhile, I put this on my arm now to see how to do the rest of this. Like so. I'll lock it up like so. So now I have the watch face I had on my old watch, as you can see. That will not be later on, but as you see now I have two watch faces. Two watches, I mean, Apple Watch, the old one and the new one. So I think I can actually stop this video now, because I think I'm ready for this. Okay, please bear with me. That was not the greatest setup, because it was very hard for me to do everything. I didn't know what to do sometimes, but it looks gorgeous, don't you think? Okay, bye.